Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your profile picture on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, there's something important you need to know before we begin. You actually can't remove your profile picture directly from the Messenger app itself. The profile picture you see on Messenger is synced with your main Facebook account, which means any changes you make to your Facebook profile picture will automatically reflect on Messenger as well. So to remove your Messenger profile picture, you'll need to do it through the Facebook app. Go ahead and open your Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. This small circular image represents your account and gives you quick access to your profile settings. Tap on this profile icon to continue. After tapping your profile icon, you'll be taken to a menu with several options. From here, tap on your profile picture itself. This will open up a larger view of your current profile photo and give you access to more options for managing it. Now that you're viewing your profile picture, look for the option that says See Profile Picture and tap on it. This will take you to the full view of your photo where you can see all the details and access additional settings for this particular image. Next, navigate to the top right corner of your screen again. You'll notice 3 dots arranged vertically, which is the menu icon for additional options. Go ahead and tap on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take regarding your profile picture. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete Photo and tap on it. This is the key step that will remove your current profile picture from both Facebook and Messenger simultaneously, since they share the same profile image. After selecting Delete Photo, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Facebook's way of making sure you really want to delete your profile picture, as this action will affect how you appear across both Facebook and Messenger. The confirmation helps prevent accidental deletions. Simply tap the delete button to confirm your choice. Once you do this, your profile picture will be removed from your Facebook account, and consequently, it will also be removed from your Messenger profile. Your profile will now display the default placeholder image instead of a custom photo. And that's it! You've successfully removed your profile picture from Facebook Messenger by deleting it from your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.